Let's take a look at this big bull chart on the NASDAQ composite. The NASDAQ composite, we said that we were going to come down. There's our reversal. We hit that support level, meaning that when we came down, if I draw a trend line, this is important for you to understand October volatility. I draw a trend line. This is where we had the gap. That's where we had the high. We filled it in. Then take a look what happened on the Friday jobs report. A gap right back in to that resistance. There's another resistance above there. Yes, it's very easy that if the buyers step in, we could break above the resistance. I don't put it past them. I'm saying it's possible after September, but nonetheless, we're going to rely on where the resistance is. It's a make or break for next week. How to gauge the gap and the resistance. Is there a new 52-week high? It's possible.